Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Well, let's review that hour-by-hour forecast for the afternoon. We'll be looking at showers and thunderstorms. Showers and thunderstorms building as we head into the 3 p.m. time period. About a 60% chance of that. Building first in inland areas as the Futurecast shows here. And then all of those showers probably strengthening in intensity later in the afternoon and early in the evening. And then drifting back toward the coastline with time. Could be some pretty good downpours of rain. And that's really not what we need to see right over the catchment basins of the Little Manatee and the Horse Creek. We'd rather not see that because we want to keep things as dry as possible. But rain chances are going up, and the same thing tomorrow as you see at 4 o'clock. We'll see those showers building along the sea breeze front and then moving toward the coastline. As we head into the weekend, we'll be watching what happens with our tropical system as it moves into the central Gulf waters. I think the bulk of the heavy weather is going to be out to sea, but there'll still be some bands of showers that'll be moving through, producing very heavy rainfall, I think, in southern Florida, and some periods of fairly decent heavy rainfall across our region as well as gusty winds and some higher surf, rip currents, and wave action, too. Small craft advisories will undoubtedly be called for. We're looking at Titan radar right now and not showing a whole lot of rain shower activity. There's our system down to the south. We're looking at some pressure drops that have occurred over the last 24 hours. We've got some wind speeds down there of about 20, 25 miles per hour. And we certainly have some explosions of thunderstorm activity. The good news is for us, I suppose the computer models are coming into better agreement on the future track of the storm, and it does appear that they're clustering now around an area that's just to the northern Gulf waters between around New Orleans, Delta region, and back toward the panhandle of Florida. Even some of the computer models which had been more aggressively maintaining a Florida landfall, such as the GFS, are now coming in line with the other computer models, the European, the German, and the Canadian as well, that are all showing kind of a turn more to the west with this system. Even one computer model, a good one, showing it heading off toward Texas. So on this center track, which is what I'll forecast with right now, here's what I think we would expect to see. And that is a gusty wind picking up as we head into Saturday, kind of breezy. And then as we head into Saturday afternoon and evening, that low pressure area moving to its closest pass by us. At that point, I think waves of showers and thunderstorms will be moving through. It'll be a cloudy day all day Saturday, probably a washout for any beach activity, and maybe even part of Sunday as well. We'll see the wind speeds picking up. That could be 20, maybe 25 miles per hour right along the immediate coastline, and rain showers could total over the course of a 2-day period, maybe 2 to 4 inch rainfalls. And then we probably will taper that off a little bit as we head into Sunday night, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But still, that could be sufficient to cause some river rises over the course of the next 5 days or so, and potentially some lowland flooding as well across our sun coast, particularly in those communities closer to the coastline. We'll have to wait and see on that when there are still forecast questions out, and a lot of it depends on how strong that storm is and how close it gets to us. Beach and boating forecast not bad for today. Southwest wind coming in at 5, turning more to the easterly direction during the overnight at about 5. And the forecast for the days ahead will go with about 87 for today's high, 60% chance of rain. Same thing tomorrow. Saturday, a first alert weather day. The winds will feel like they're howling at times as we head into Saturday night. Sunday, things will tame down, but we'll still have some showers around and a little bit of sunshine. Then as we head into the beginning of next week, we'll keep rain showers in the forecast. Bob, we were going to go join him, who's at a hurricane party. Bob, it's hard to believe we're starting in already, isn't it?